There are more than 6 million auto accidents in the United States each year, and those accidents leave more than 40,000 people dead and more than 3 million injured. Experts say that most drivers are simply unaware of the type of energy and impact of a car crash, even at speeds of just 35 miles an hour, can create.
A lot of damage can happen at a low-impact collision. It depends on how the passenger is positioned. It depends on which way their head is turned, and a lot of times a low impact, especially if your head is turned, can cause muscle injury and muscle damage that needs to be checked out by a physician.
Which is why it's so important to wear a seatbelt. This machine, called the Seatbelt Convincer, shows riders how it feels to be involved in a car crash of speeds less than 10 miles an hour. As you can see for yourself, it creates a massive amount of impact.
Wearing a seatbelt is the single most important thing a person can do to prevent injury if they suffer an automobile wreck.
Even if you feel physically fine after a crash, it's usually still a good idea to get checked out by a doctor.
It would be a wise thing to see their physician just to make sure that there isn't something that they need to do. The extent of the injury won't always be noticed immediately, and it may take time for that tissue damage that's occurred to declare itself.
For the people under the age of 65, car crashes are the #1 cause of spinal cord injuries. Injuries which account for billions of dollars of medical costs each year. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.